While cell phones are a main distraction while driving, there are also many other distractions that it's important to be aware of so that you can stay safe. There are actually three different types of distracted driving: visual, cognitive, and manual. Visual distracted driving is anything that's going to take your eyes off of the road, so looking out your side window, in the back seat, or anything that will take your vision off of the road. Cognitive distracted driving is anything that can take your mind off of the road, so kids in the back seat, daydreaming, or anything that would take your mind elsewhere. Manual distracted driving is anything that would take your hands off of the wheel, so changing the radio station, rolling down the window, grabbing something from the back seat, or anything that would take your hands off the wheel so that you're no longer in control of your car. And then this is where I'll have a diagram of these things. Driving a car requires a high level of focus, which is why it's so important to be aware of these distractions and how to avoid them. Cell phone usage involves all three types of these distracted driving, so the visual, cognitive, and manual, which makes it so much more dangerous to use a cell phone while you're driving. A study done by the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration in 2015 reported that 10% of all car crashes and fatalities were caused by a distracted driver, with 14% of these being caused because that driver was using a cell phone. Distracted driving can lead to many crashes and fatalities, as well as legal issues such as fines, insurance issues, and other things that can affect you far into the future. Because it is so easy to get distracted and there's so many distractions, it's important to know how to avoid these and to be preventative. I will now turn it over to Andrea to teach you more about how to stay safe on the road and to avoid these distractions.